guys, it's a week after New Year and today I'm going to remove my Christmas decors. I'm also going to be showing you my new purchases that I'm going to be using to decorate the lounge and then the conservatory. It's a mess on the table. We have leftover Krispy Kreme. Here's my coffee, assorted biscuits, and then pizza. Okay, so let's start cleaning.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
As you can see, everything is clean now. All the Christmas decors are gone. Oh, apart from the 2 pillowcases, the posters as well is still there. But it's going to go tomorrow morning, and for now I'm going to go to bed. Okay, so I have a new 2 pillowcase. It's different from what we have. Oh, that's nice. I love that.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no
In the conservatory, I'm going to be using this toy, Holy Joy.
Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to live.
I don't have a smaller frame, so I'm going to use this one first. It's going to replace this one. Da-da-da-da! Wow! Now we've added the sound bar, so we have a full cinema experience. Lance, look!
Why did you turn off the light then?
I'm really excited to start decorating and getting all the nice little bits.
Come on, pull it.
Touches.
Quick, quick, quick.
Project managing all the interior.
But will it be enough to make Paul want to stay?
Sometimes with Paul, I think he's still firm once he missed it. And then other times I think
Ooh!
he's going to go rare. I think he's been quite definitely more.
To complete my home decor, I did buy this large family sketch. It's huge! It's a sleeping beauty! Well, it's gonna go in that wall. Let's take this out.
I'm in love with all your lights. lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your noise.
This is my house now. It's back to white, brown, and black color. So this is the entryway.
Stars made of stars above.
And this is the stairs going up. Nothing has changed. And in here I have my snake plant. This is from H&M. The candlestick holders are also from H&M. The diffuser. And this tray where I put my keys. It is Mustars, and it is actually a souvenir from Bosnia, and that's where I put my keys. To here, it's the same IKEA cabinet that I painted, and that's where I put my shoes. Here's my lounge. It's now back to white, brown, and black. Over here is the table where we have our breakfast because outside it's cold. There's the cabinet. These candlestick holders are from H&M, so we actually have 3. Another one in there, and this one. The vases here are from H&M as well. This is dried eucalyptus leaves, and this is from a garden. The wicker tray is also from H&M. This here is from Amazon, and let me show you what's inside.
Stars, counting stars.
In this corner I have a plant, and that's my spray for my plant. These actually are photos from travel. Let me just show you one. This is Life Will Travel, and inside it's just photos from our travel. This one is from Marrakesh. It's nice. So yeah, these are our photo books. The 2 vases are from H&M, just candles. The Michelangelo is from Florence. That's a souvenir from when we went there. A tea light candle holder. That's from Dunel.com. This is actually a wine holder, but instead we have this candle. And of course, the Thai ladies, which I had for a very long time now. This Monstera Deliciosa, I had this for about 6 months now. And look at that. The roots are actually growing, and this needs to be replanted. Lands books, and it's all about history. What labor can do. Rebirth of Britain, post-war Britain, history of the world in the 20th century. These are actually free books from a shop in town. This one here is from Marrakesh, and it has chocolates inside. This is also from Marrakesh, a camel and a Berber man. These candles are from Habitat, and this fake plant as well is from Habitat. Just our photo books. And all these are from H&M. This is a print from Diseño. And this is my cozy lounge. I had to put the holding hands back because it matches this lady here. That's from Amazon. The throw is from Techimax. The 2 pillowcases are all from H&M. This wall art is from Hilary and Flo. It's an online store that I discovered from Instagram. The naked clock, I had this for over a year now, and this is from eBay. The Birds of Paradise, I had this for a while now, and it's gotten really taller. This is a mirror, which I had for a very long time. And this is Lance's first teddy bear, which we had since 2007. These are my books. The Modern Bohemian Guide to Travel in Style. Another one here, The Art of the Natural Home. This is really nice. I love this. It's kind of rustic, creating a cozy and a happy home. This is definitely my style. Love this book. So yeah, these are my personal choices.
Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun.
This wicker basket is from Ringsdale. It's an online store from Instagram. This candle is from Anthropology. This is from a local store here in Winchester. It's the Phrenology. This wood tray is actually from Anthropology, and it houses my remote controls.
Turning off the cruise control. best to breathe, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this.
For the outside, this is what I've done. Travel books, souvenirs from travel, my wicker bags. My garden chair outside is protected with that black plastic. It's still my blue Italian collection. That's the chair. So that's it. So yeah, this is my tiny home.
And take the long way home.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!